see the unseen. The Ralcam 210 degrees articulating borescope. Your ultimate inspection sidekick. Tired of blind spots and frustrating guesswork? The Ralcam Two-Way Articulating Borescope is here to change the game. Designed for automotive pros, aircraft mechanics, and DIYers, this HD snake camera lets you see inside engines, pipes, and machinery without taking everything apart. The 210 degrees rotatable probe, combined with 6 adjustable LED lights, delivers clear, illuminated visuals in the darkest, tightest spaces. Say goodbye to fuzzy images and unreliable tools. This borescope captures every detail with precision, helping you diagnose issues faster, easier, and more effectively than ever before. It's the ultimate inspection tool you never knew you needed. No more squinting at blurry images or fighting awkward angles. This high-tech borescope is built for precision. The 3.5-inch HD screen provides stunning clarity, while the 179 degrees full-view display and 4x zoom function ensure you catch even the smallest cracks and misalignments. Need flexibility? The 180 degrees screen rotation means you can view inspections from any angle without straining your neck. Powered by a 1/9 CMOS chip, this tool offers lifelike visuals that leave no detail unnoticed. Whether you're working on engines, aircraft, plumbing, or industrial repairs, this borescope gives you the ultimate vantage point for every job. Built to handle tough environments, the Ralcam borescope isn't just about precision, it's about durability and reliability. The 6.2mm stainless steel probe ensures long-term stability, while the semi-rigid 3.3 feet cable holds its shape, allowing you to navigate tight corners effortlessly. Designed for grime, moisture, and heat, it boasts an IP67 waterproof and oil-proof rating, so it won't fail in wet or greasy conditions. Even better, it includes a high-temperature warning system to protect against overheating hazards. This isn't just a camera, it's a rugged, professional-grade tool built to withstand any job site, workshop, or garage challenge. Time is money, and the Ralcam Articulating Borescope helps you save both. Instead of wasting hours dismantling engines, tearing apart machines, or struggling with mirrors and flashlights, just guide the probe, rotate the camera, and get instant, clear insights. Whether you're troubleshooting automotive issues, diagnosing industrial equipment, or handling home repairs, this tool speeds up inspections and helps you avoid costly mistakes. Designed for efficiency and accuracy, it reduces downtime, prevents unnecessary repairs, and gets you back to work faster. The faster you inspect, the faster you fix, making this borescope a must-have for any serious mechanic or technician. Why settle for a basic, outdated endoscope when you can have a high-tech, precision-engineered, mechanics-approved powerhouse? The Ralcam Articulating Borescope isn't just another inspection tool, it's a game-changing investment in your work. Its unmatched clarity, superior durability, and easy maneuverability make it the go-to choice for professionals and DIYers alike. With rave reviews and proven reliability, this HD borescope delivers results that ordinary cameras just can't match. Don't let hidden issues cost you time and money. Order yours today and start seeing what others can't.